Hello, students and families. Mr. Shea here. I am the Fit for Life physical education teacher at the HSA at MMS. This is my fourth year at the school, my 8th year teaching overall, and my 10th year in education. I truly love what I do. I love working with the students that I do. I know these are unprecedented times we're dealing with here, but parents, I want to let you know that your students' health and safety are my top priority. The purpose of the class is to provide the students with a foundation for a healthy and active lifestyle. We do that through various games, activities, sports, exercises, and through that, build that foundation. This year, we're trying to do more activities with less equipment. And with that, any equipment we use will be sanitized before and after use. In addition to the in-class portion of the course, we'll also have the Canvas portion where there'll be various activities up there like discussion questions, workout of the week, a fitness log, be some literacy assignments up there, some videos with question and response, and that should be checked daily if not frequently. The class will meet in the gym and we will move to outside on most days when the weather permits. We're going to be outside as much as possible. So students want to think about what's comfortable, any kind of clothes within dress code that's comfortable. You want to think about a good comfortable shoe you don't mind getting messy in, like a basketball shoe or a tennis shoe, and bringing a water bottle. The number one priority right now is student safety. So our instruction is based, physical activity is based around making sure it's the safest environment possible. So we need all students to listen to instructions at all times and to help us and help the other students by following our procedures. And we'll learn those procedures when they come in the classroom, and they'll be posted on the Canvas page as well. With that, we want to make sure we're being patient. This is something new to the students and staff, and we want to keep an open mind. We may not be doing your favorite activity that day, but give it your best try, because really effort goes a long way with me and with grades and in class and Canvas. Even if don't feel 100% on board with it, just give it your best effort and you'll be successful. If you need any questions, have any questions from me, please reach out via email. My email is Keith, Keith, .Shea, SHEA, ucps.k12.nc.us. I can also set up a video conference if needed or a phone call. I look forward to a great year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.